Hi everyone, today's video is sponsored by Dossier. If you are new to the Dossier brand, Dossier is a perfume brand that supplies premium fragrances, and what I love about Dossier is the cost is a fraction of what you would pay in a retail store or even online. And Dossier is absolutely amazing. Premium, iconic, no markup perfumes accessible to everyone. And on top of it, did I mention that they always have some sort of sale? So definitely check out Dossier. There's a coupon code down below. And thank you, Dossier.
I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you.
Hi everyone, so welcome back. If you are new to my channel, my name is Makeda. If you're oldie but a goodie, welcome. So today I'm in New York. I'm doing like a quick shoot. I do a lot of fashion and style based content on my Instagram, so I am doing a shoot for that as well as some other stuff that I'm working on. So right now we are at the Elise Hotel in New York. I'll put the information up here. And yeah, let me give you a tour. I just got ready. I have my signature side part with my hair. I know a few of you guys are saying, no, I'm not gonna put that in vlog. With a few little curls here. It is raining and I'm so upset because literally I was supposed to come another day, but it didn't work out that I didn't have to come, which I wasn't upset. And then today I come and I'm like, it's raining. It is raining. But let me give you guys a room tour and I'll show you guys. Yeah, so you come in, this is the doorway. This is my suitcase that I'm gonna bring to the shoot, and I usually just have like my shoes on one side and then I have like my bags and everything. So let me take out this bag because this one is gonna go with the outfit I have on. So this is the bag. And then everything else is just here. So then when you come in, this is the bathroom. So the shower is here. It's so white, which I love. These are my toes. Then you have the sink, which is a mess because I just got ready. But this is the sink. And then there's like a big mirror. And then you come in, there is like a little wardrobe, and then it has like hangers in there, which these hangers are super thick. Then you have like your Keurig. Down here is a safe, key to the safe, key to the safe. And then there is a table. They gave us this thing where we get like free complimentary cocktails. This is my little headscarf, and yes, I did wear it. A little chair. This is the bed. There's my aunt, two side tables. Then we have like these lights. Then there's like this really big mirror. And then this is the view outside. So I guess like this is like a little patio area right here. And then I want to say like this is the train station right here, Leash. Right across the street. Yeah. Because then it take us like 3 minutes. So yeah, so that is what's going on. Yeah. Okay, so I'm changing my lipstick for the next, last outfit. So my aunt just reminded me. But also all of my jewelry is sponsored by Ana Luisa. And I'm so excited to partner with them because I absolutely love jewelry, but I think my favorite thing is wearing beautiful jewelry but not spending a ton of money and still getting amazing quality. And they were so nice enough to send me these beautiful bracelets that I'm absolutely in love with. If you go on my Instagram and you look at all of my posts, literally I wear all of these bracelets religiously. So the first one is this bamboo bangle that I absolutely love and I'm obsessed with. The second one is this, it mimics like a watch without the bulky face, so it just gives you like the same look, but it's absolutely beautiful. I literally have it on like all day. I wash my hands and it looks amazing. It has like the Ana Luisa it has the Ana Luisa name on there, and I absolutely love them. I always get so many compliments when I wear them, and they're such a great price. And even though they are great quality, it's not going to break your bank. They were so sweet enough to give me a coupon code for you guys. So click down below. You will have your discount code and you can check them out. I really love them. They're great for yourself, but also Christmas is coming up. Things are getting more expensive, and if you really want to give someone a special gift or give yourself a special gift, then definitely go to analuisa.com. I love them. These are, they sent me 3 bracelets, but I'm wearing 2. The other one is like super delicate and I wear for like special occasions. But yeah, I love it. And yeah, so guys, we are about to leave. Let me grab my red lipstick. And then we can go. Also, I did bring my other bracelet. So this is the packaging. They all come in like different colors, but it's so cute. Ana Luisa, and then it has these really cute snaps. And I love this because this is definitely eco-friendly, and I love that. And then once you get your beautiful bracelet, this one is so cute. And if you have small wrists like me, they do have jewelry that actually fit your wrists. And this one is so beautiful. Bracelet, I will put all the information down below of the ones that I chose, but I love it. It's so cute, and I literally bought them. So when I picked out the bracelets that I wanted to be able to wear them all together or separate. So that is just a suggestion to you guys. But thank you so much, Ana Luisa. I'm so excited to be a part of the family. I love the jewelry, and you guys know I will never steer you guys wrong. If I don't like it, I'm gonna tell you I don't like it, but I truly love it and it's great quality. So yeah, thank you. So guys, we are about to, what time is it? Let me give you the address. So guys, we're literally about to book the Uber. So we just came back from the photo shoot with Martha. Martha is amazing as usual. I just wish she lived in Jersey. Oh, there's like makeup on here. I gotta wipe it off. This was like the last look with some glasses. So now I'm about to take some content pictures of my shoes in the bathroom, because you need filler pictures. You know what we didn't do? And I thought about it, was the video. So the next time I'm gonna do 3 outfits in a video. So we are back from the shoot, and I think I already said this. Auntie took a little nappy nap. Just a quick update. So if you want to do like a quick shoot in New York, but you don't want to stay overnight, there is this website. I'm not sponsored by them. It's called Day Use, and basically you can just rent like time blocks in different hotels in the city, and they have them all around the US, and you can just book for a block of time. And that's what we did. We did from 8 a.m. to 4, and our shoot was at 10. So literally tomorrow I go to Miami, so I couldn't stay over. So I just needed a hotel to do my makeup, chill a little bit, eat, and then just be comfortable and leave. So that's what I did. And now we're about to go downstairs. So we are at the Elise Hotel, and pretty much they gave us like a comp for 2 drinks and then a $25 chip. So I'm gonna try and grab something to eat because now I'm hungry. I wasn't hungry before, but now I'm hungry. Now I'm hungry. Ready? What a big bag, like you have big bag money. Yeah, gal. Yeah, money. Oh my gosh, look at this double chin. Listen, what did Martha say? I look rich. God, come through with the money, 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 money.
Everything back up?
Yeah. I play no games, baby. Downstairs to grab something. You have the chip? Guys, so we just walked and grabbed some food really quick. Well, snacks. I didn't really vlog because I don't know, there was like a lot of men out, and I always get nervous when, you know what I mean, you never know if they're like trying to sweet talk you and then grab your purse, and then I have to fight, and it's just a mess. So I got a potato bread. Oh, I love a potato. And then Auntie got a croissant. It's warm. Oh, my thing was warm on it, and my aunt got a vanilla croissant. So we about to eat it. And then we're gonna grab the train at 2:46. And then, Lusia, do you want all this stuff? And then, do you want any of this stuff? And then we're gonna grab the train at 2:46. We'll be home by 4. And then I have to go and literally empty my suitcase and pack for Miami. Which Miami will be so quick, so. It's not pizza, it doesn't have no sauce on it. Guys, this is so good. Look at it. Oh my gosh. What do you call this? I'm not gonna eat all of it. I'm gonna bring some home. How's your croissant?
You didn't
like it?
It's not filling. Try it.
I'm watching my baby, my girl, Francesca. I love her vlogs. I love her, and I love Peyton, Charles. That is my Pisces sister. And okay, this angle, beautiful. I love it for me. Guys, so we made it on the train, and the shoot was successful. I didn't even talk about the shoot. The shoot was successful. They like kicked us off some bank property, but we got the shots. And my aunt is here. We ate, we left. The Uber driver was not Uber, was it Lyft? It was Lyft. The Lyft driver was nice, but he like dropped us off at the 8th Avenue side, and we always take 7th Avenue, so we were a little confused, baby, but we ran and we made it just like perfect timing, right? We always make perfect timing. Always. But remember that, like the last times we've come, there's like this person and they're coughing. This is why we should have our mask. And they are coughing up a lung. Sir.
One now,
Hello? I was asking you guys, when you guys go to a hotel, do you guys take like
no, I don't.
The hand soaps and stuff? I don't take the like hand soaps and whatever, but I like hand lotions, and this hand lotion smells like lemongrass is like one of my favorite scents, so I took the hand lotion, and Leisha's saying like I'm a, what is it, I don't know, but I love hand lotion. I have a drawer full of hand lotions, and remember I just bought that new one. I love a good hand lotion. That expensive one that I got such a good deal on, my life has changed. I can't buy it normally. It's like $50. I'm not. Bye guys, we're out.
Stop showing them my body.
Your what?
My body.
What chunks?
It's a place.
These are moms. Y'all, we are back from New York City. Why he look like, what is happening?
My man must have run him down.
Something happened. Because why would he go? Y'all, we about to go home. Oh, I put near my legs, but I don't shave anymore because every time I shave, I cut myself. So I near my legs, which I hate the smell, but I figure out a way like not for it to smell. And I ran out of near. And
You run out of near, run out of fire too.
ha ha ha, funny. Ha ha ha, hilarious. Anyways, so we're not in here, and
You're not hot.
no, I'm always hot. This is not new to me. This is true to me. So we're gonna go. Should I change Dad's light bulb too?
Tomorrow, man.
No, I leave tomorrow.
Leave me alone.
So anyways, we're gonna go get Nair. And then we're gonna get Nair, and then
We will get fire too.
we go to Miami tomorrow. I have a lash appointment at 9:30 in the morning, and then my flight is at 3 something. That's why I never like early flights, because you can do stuff before. God,
You don't like late flight.
I don't like early flights.
We just want to go and get it done, get it over with.
Why am I going so early?
I want to reach where me they go.
Okay, but it's gonna take the same amount of time.
No matter. We don't want an airport night.
I'm not gonna be at the airport at night. I'm gonna land at like 6. Is that dinner time? I always eat before anyway. I eat and then I pass out. I fell asleep on this this man. He was so nice. This man, he was so nice.
Which man?
I don't know who he was. He was some older Spanish man, and I was so tired. And he just like let me sleep, and I was like, God bless you, sir. Because I was
Where?
tired. On the flight. You know how sometimes you're sleeping and like you fall asleep. I don't know why. I don't know if I have the center or I always do the window. And I don't know what happened, but I was on that man's shoulder. You couldn't tell us we weren't a couple. I was tired.
What is it?
He did not care. He woke me up and he said, I got you some snacks and water. I said, thank you. Thank you, hubby. My plain hubby.
Lord of mercy.
I was like, he was Alicia, the nicest guy. Who does that? Most people would be like, yo, get off me. But I was so tired. He knew. He felt sorry for me. God bless him. I wonder what he's doing right now. All right, guys. So we about to go. We about to go, and then I'm gonna pack. I probably won't. This probably will be another vlog. I probably won't continue the vlog. Or maybe I'll pack with you guys. Damn, what do I have to wear to dinner? I wanted that yellow dress.
You ask where we're going for dinner? You want to close it?
Yeah, look at your hubby.
Really?
In the green gorilla bike. Yeah, Papa. All right, let's go. I'm so tired, y'all.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes.